Hello guys, in today's video, I will show you how to back up WordPress website. So, in order to do this, first of all, log into wordpress.com using your user credentials. Now, after you log in, you will see this dashboard at the left corner of the screen where you'll have to click on the plugins option. Now, go to the search bar and type in WP Vivid. Hit enter and you will see some search results with the logo of WP Vivid. Simply click on the one that looks something like this. After clicking on this, you will see the ratings and description for WP Vivid. You can see WP Backup and Migration allows you to set up and control the backup and migration plugins for all child sites directly from your dashboard. So you'll have to just navigate here, click on Upgrade and Activate, and you'll have to click on Upgrade and Activate plugin. Then you'll have to navigate to the checkout section, upgrade to a plan, complete the payment, then you'd be successfully able to download this WP Vivid, using which you can easily back up your WordPress website. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.